Asexual reproduction. Objective: to learn the traits and methods of asexual reproduction. Reproduction is a characteristic of all living organisms and is necessary for the continuation of life. Reproduction can be one of two types, either asexual or sexual. In this session, we will concentrate only on forms of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is common among single-celled organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, and bacteria. Amoeba reproduces asexually through binary fission. With this method, the nucleus will divide by mitosis, a process that produces two daughter cells that have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. After the nuclear division, the cytoplasm will divide into two equal parts, which will eventually become two amoebae. Budding is a second type of asexual reproduction. In yeast, the cell will develop a small bulge. The cytoplasm and the divided nucleus will move into this bulge, known as a bud. The bud will then detach from the parent cell and will grow until it is capable of budding again. In the multicellular organism, Hydra, budding is a common mode of reproduction. A group of cells will bulge out as a bud, which will later separate from the parent. Spore formation is another form of asexual reproduction. Some bacteria, ferns, and fungi, such as mucor, commonly called a pin mold, will reproduce minute, thick-walled structures known as spores. The organism will release a huge number of spores, which will spread out and develop into adults. Summary: asexual reproduction is a process involving a single cell or organism. Forms of asexual reproduction include binary fission, budding, and spore formation.